Hello, my name is Steve Winski, and I'm the Business Development Leader here at SESME. I'd like to invite you to the virtual SESME Smart Manufacturing Summit starting on November 2nd and continuing on November 4th, 9th, and 10th. For those who are not familiar with SESME, SESME is the Clean Energy Smart Manufacturing Innovation Institute, which is chartered by the U.S. Government Department of Energy to drive improvements in energy consumption, production efficiency, and quality so that U.S. manufacturing can better compete in the worldwide economy. We focus and invest in enabling technologies and standards, proof of concept projects, smart manufacturing education, and workforce development. I think the time investment in attending this summit is a great investment for those who are just embarking and for those who are already engaged in their digital transformation journeys. Sessions will include the vision, the experience, the standards, the best practices from industry leaders such as P&G, Corning, Raytheon, Microsoft, GE, Linde, the Department of Energy, Johnson & Johnson, the OPC Foundation, General Mills, integrators, academia, and many others. There will be technical training on the Smart Manufacturing Innovation Platform, which is a vendor-agnostic technology solution to standardize the context and ingestion of data. This will enable data and application interoperability to a new level, greatly reducing the cost, complexity, and risk of implementing smart manufacturing solutions. There will be updates on our co-funded investments in smart manufacturing innovation centers at leading universities such as NC State, RPI, Purdue, UCLA, Penn State, and others. Lastly, updates on a few of the many SESME co-funded projects, including those at Tyson, ArcelorMittal, Honeywell, among others that will be presented. In conclusion, I think the SESME Summit with our ecosystem of members will provide the education and vision needed for all. Please go to our website at sesme.org and register for this event. Thank you.